Welcome to Ballroom Law Group and TechnoCert Company. At the moment, I am standing with Mr. Ozan Bal. He's the IT consultant and he's the part of the family of Ballroom Law Group as well as working as an IT consultant in the company. Since he is IT professional, I'm going to ask him the advice he can give to foreign students if they want to come in Turkey, if they want to come to Istanbul and join the study system, especially regarding the IT profession. Ozan bhai, welcome. What do you recommend to Pakistani, Indian, Nepali, Bangladeshi, Afghani students, Iranian students? What is that like? How is the education system working in the universities and colleges for the degree program, especially regarding the software studies or the information technology studies?
Actually, in Turkey, we are promoting all kind of studies about IT, and the process is very easy for outside like foreigners. And when you want to study in Turkey, there is very good opportunities and universities, and teachers are very educated, as well as when you after your graduation, mostly IT companies are offering jobs to you. Not you are not going to somewhere and they are, you know, looking your offerings and other things. It's not working like that.
So basically, if you are freshly graduated from the university, the IT companies who are working, they can hire you
Yes,
immediately.
immediately.
They will not ask you, you have some experience before, did you do
No,
this
no, no,
training,
no, no,
did you
no,
do
no,
this
no.
training, it's not like that.
No, no.
What is the average salary of an IT professional? Like if somebody is software engineer, how much he can expect in the beginning?
In the beginning, it's as I know, it's minimum starting from 4,000, and it's up to 20,000, 30,000 if you are very good at your job.
I hope it's in US dollar.
No, Turkish lira.
It's in Turkish lira. So the starting salary can be, you can expect like 4,000 lira up to 20,000 Turkish lira, and which is very good start. And you can gain such a wonderful experience in Turkey, and working environment is very, very supportive, very helpful, especially for the younger graduates, professionals. What else do you want to recommend to students before they want to join in Turkey for the studies?
Actually, I'm just recommending that if they know English, they will, you know, and that part of world usually knows English. They will be,
They will need to learn the Turkish language.
yeah, and if they know English, they will learn easily how to develop softwares and other
Yes.
stuff.
So for them, for the IT professionals, usually knowing or learning Turkish language is not so important, or it is important in the
It's
university life?
important.
It is important.
Not for university, but in working life and living in
Ah.
Turkey, it's
Important.
most common knowledge.
Tamam. So if, for example, can you work as a freelance or independent IT professional in Turkey?
Yes,
Entrepreneur?
yes.
And how the government is supporting? And what is that organization who support the young professionals? COSCAP?
COSCAP, yes.
Can you explain the role of COSPAC and the future prospects for the somebody who wants to make business out of their studies?
It's working like this. When you develop some software, and if you are graduated from some COSCAP education,
COSCAP accredited universities.
yes,
All
and
right.
after it you are just going to COSCAP. It's, you know, some kind of office, and
What is COSCAP? Can you explain?
it's some kind of government supported young for young people.
A forum or a
No,
institution?
institution for young people. But if
For
you're,
young people.
yeah, if you're a young businessman, they are supporting you by cash, by, you know, environment like database or something. They are just supporting you in any kind of support.
Is it only for the Turkish citizen, or it is also available for the foreigner students?
It's only for Turkish citizens. But
If
you know,
you are graduated.
yeah, if you are graduated, you probably can.
So maybe you are a foreign student, you graduated, and you make some coordination with your Turk student fellow members, and you can ask help from COSGAP,
Yes,
and you
yes,
will
yes,
get
yes.
some benefits,
Yes.
and they will help you a lot.
Yes,
And you can sell your program in the local market and make your life in Turkey.
yes, of course.
And the life is wonderful in Turkey. Yeah. It is very good. It's very economical. It's very smart. It's very much foreign friendly. Turks are very friendly towards foreigners, and the environment is up to the European standard, mashallah, and everything is so wonderful here. So, if you are planning to come in Turkey and want to continue your education, this is the best destination you can choose in the whole world. Thank you very much, Ozan
You're
bhai,
welcome.
coming for a short video and telling our
You're welcome.
friends and followers about the studies.
Yeah.
Thank you.